It's your boy Young BJ back on another video, you feel me? Now look, in today's video, I heard it's a new app, you feel me? Called what, It's called Yee?
Yeah.
A new app, basically like another monkey app, so we can get on it. But let me introduce my cousin, you feel me? He gonna be in there with me. He gonna be in the video. Introduce yourself.
Alright, man, I'm Jovan, they call me a ladies' man for a reason. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know why, the females love dark skins, you feel me? They love the dark skins.
Brown skins is real sad.
No, dark skins, no,
Ooh, that smell just. Ooh, that.
Alright, okay, let me see your phone. We finna get to it.
Oh, no.
Ooh.
What's this?
Hey, add time for me. Add time for me real quick. I got a question. Alright, so look, rate us on a scale of 1 to 10.
Rate me first.
Yeah, let's rate him first.
Alright. You 7.
Him?
And you come this way more.
Me?
No, you I say
You said what?
you 6.
Hold on, rate me
Wait,
again.
no, she said 7. She said him a 7. She said you said him a 7, right?
No, I think she
You said him a 7, right? You said him a 7, right? Yeah.
Yeah. He's a 7.
Well, you got a
We
6.
both took L's.
Hey, as long as
She said, wanna be YouTuber, Julie. Hey, ask him I got a question.
Sorry, K, what?
Yo, forehead piece. Oh, God.
Her forehead on overly swollen. Monster forehead having none. Oh, it's really.
Fit me. Hoodie. You going hoodie?
Hey.
What's up? Hey, ask time I got a question.
Yeah, what?
Alright, rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
You a 9 because I'm the one you need.
Ooh, okay, now rate him.
Alright, now rate me.
Wait, I can't see your face. Scoot over.
I got you.
Let me see. He is fine. I give you a 5.
Oh! You said a 5? Hold on, you said a what? You said a what?
No,
Hold on, you said a what?
No, you lost. No, I ain't hit no 10. I ain't hit no 10. She said 5. She said 5. She said 10. I heard 5. I heard 5. Hey, nah, my turn, bro.
I almost just died, Cash.
Hey. Hoodie's back on because they said I gotta, you feel me? Come on. Next female give me no number.
Man, I'm getting a 10. I'm getting a 10. Straight 10. Straight 10s.
You got a 5, bro.
Straight 10.
The nigga got a 5. Got a 5.
Okay.
Ain't no talking. I didn't even get a 5. I got a 6.
I'm getting straight 10s. No, nothing more than an 8.
You got a 5.
Hey, that don't matter.
He got a... Bro, hey, spam
Shorty
with
was
con...
ugly
Hey.
and my boy was big anyways, boy. Shorty looked like a rhinoceros. I don't want to hear it.
Hey, no.
She walking around like a Oompa Loompa.
Hey.
I don't want to hear it.
Hey, he mad you got a 5, bro. He just mad. I ain't even get a 5 yet. That's the problem.
Watch your mouth.
Yo, hey, ask him I got a question.
Dang, that Android bogus. That is.
Can I ask the question?
ZTE
You can't even ask time for me?
ZTE
Can't
Mode 3.
So pigtail, big
ZTE
forehead, having
Mode
that
3.
big nose, having that big lip, having that.
Oh my God. Hello. Huh? Huh? What you say? I didn't hear what you said. Oh, she sleep? Alright. Alright. Dang, G. We was being a little too loud.
Oh, we got too loud? Alright.
Dang. We gotta restart the screen recording and everything.
So, right. What's your contact pic?
Hold on. Yeah, there it is.
Hey, ask him I got a question. All right, now look, rate us on a scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah, you go first.
Oh, me? All right, I'll go first. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. Let me back up.
You're 6.5.
6. 6.5? You can't give me a 7? You gave me a 6.5. Oh, God,
What are we talking about?
all right, check it out.
Hold on. The other girl didn't rate though.
Oh, what about the other girl? The other shorty. You rate me.
Like a 6.
Get out the camera. Get out the camera. All right, go ahead and rate me. Go ahead and rate me.
I like your jacket, so I'll give you a 7. Yeah, I like a 7.
Hey, you got a 6. So you just said I'm a 7?
Hey, he a sore
Wait,
loser.
wait,
Hey, no.
I'm a 7?
Hey, I'm sorry. He a sore loser. My bad. He a sore loser.
7?
Look, you see, y'all saw how I take it.
Watch out.
Y'all saw how I took it. He a sore
Give y'all
loser.
the work. Like, come on. Give y'all a 7? A 7?
Hey, y'all see he depressed, bro.
A
Y'all see he
7?
depressed. Hey, y'all go rate him in the comments, bro. Go rate him in the comments.
Team press the next. They finna team.
Imagine a 7.
Just kidding.
Now watch your comments. I'm finna 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. I'm a she want me. She want me. Yeah.
Hey, add time I got a question.
Like,
Y'all add time we got a question. We got a question.
So like, can y'all add time?
Can y'all add time?
Y'all look. They added time.
Oh, y'all did? What?
Oh.
Y'all gonna wait till the last minute to add time? Y'all had to think about it? Y'all had to think about it?
Sure, you look irritated.
Oh, God. Why you irritated for? Why you irritated for? Who made you mad? Who made you mad?
Nobody.
Then why you look irritated for?
They don't
You
want
look, oh, God, look.
They don't want
Hey,
to talk
why you
to
cock
me.
block? Why you cock block? You look, you probably just made a smile, bro. You gonna cock block.
Cause she seen me, she want me.
No.
me.
You ain't saying nothing though. I am.
She want me.
Alright, okay, come
Alright,
back.
go
No.
ahead. You first.
Look,
Hey, you first.
shut up. Who y'all taking home? Me and him. Y'all want team dark skin with a nice smile or this dude right here?
Hey, who ain't got a nice smile?
You don't. Not better than dark skin.
Don't ever cap like that again. Man, who y'all taking home?
Y'all taking
Me
home?
or him? Oh my God.
Look. She was finna say team dark skin. You feel me? She they know. They know. Look. Y'all know team dark skin. You feel me? Y'all know team dark skin.
Hey, wait till I get my haircut. They finna, ooh.
Why you think I got this headband on? I'm not
Ooh, you looking daddy-ish. I'm gonna thank you, Miss Lady. Thank you, Miss
dark
Lady.
skin is the most daddy. No cap. I ain't
Wait
gonna
till I
cap.
put the glasses on. Hold on.
He all that when he's not. He's not. Hey, add time I got a question.
what's up?
Can you add time? We only got 10 seconds. There we go.
Time.
Okay. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah.
I give you about an 8.
All right,
Hey, hold on. Wait, it's 2. It's 2. Hold
Oh,
on.
it's 2 over.
Yeah, wait. What the other one?
Oh, what's your rating? Let's see. I think about a 7. She gave me a 7.
Watch out. Hey, what about me? Oh, my phone on 20%, guys. What about me?
10. No, yeah, we give you a 10. Yeah, you're
They
10.
want
You're
me.
10. You're 10.
Bro, I get an 8 and a 7. This light skin.
I ain't light skinned. Watch your mouth.
Light skin.
No,
Hey,
brown
hey,
skin.
spam in the comments. Is he light skin or brown skin? Niggas light skin. You light skin.
The room number. What is she talking about? What did you text her? She hope.
Hey, add time. I got a question. Add time.
Nigga, you didn't even have time.
All right, rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
8.
8.
All right, go ahead and rate me 1 through 10. A 9? 9.5. She want me.
Females don't like.
I'm putting this on the street or something.
He's lying. He's lying. He uses his phone 24/7. Hey, at time we got a question. We got a question. At time.
Why?
You got a question? I just said it. I just said we got a question. All right, look. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
What?
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
Who, you?
No.
I would say like a 7 or 8.
Okay, what about
I
you?
would say like a 12.
Ooh.
All right, what about me? What about me?
Oh, you're. Oh, yeah, I would say a 14. Yeah, yeah.
She want me. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Oh, 14? This is a life scheme. Please, bro. Oh, 14? Like, I thought I had that in the bag. No cap. Go to 35.
That's 2 females, right?
Oh, wow. Nah. Hey, at time we got a question.
Oh, they had it.
Why?
Why is it froze? Why is it doing that?
It's your phone.
This is your phone. It's not even my phone. I don't even know.
This is your phone. Hey, who y'all taking home? Who y'all taking home?
All right, one at a time. You go first.
You said what?
Sarah? Hold on.
You know her?
Yes, what you in Texas?
Wait, hold on. You know her? Wait, hold on. You know her? Her. Her right there. Her. That face right there in the corner.
Yes, I know her older sister in my grade. She a freshman, I think. Merge.
How do we find them? Hey, y'all in the video, by the way.
Hey, but hold on.
Hold on.
But I'm fine. They not though.
No, they was gonna say me.
Hold
on. They was
gonna
say me.
Smile.
What? Peter smile, shorty. Yeah. Look, man, better than you would do. See? Get out.
But what a coincidence. But we not even in Cameron Pit though.
Oh God, we not. Hey.
What a coincidence. I'm not, bro. School over. Bro, hey, you tell me, man.
Play with me, little nigga.
Yeah.
Alright, dude. What's up, dude?
Oh.
You did jump.
What was I finna just go do? I don't even know.
How y'all know each other?
She used to live in Iowa. She moved up. You live in Texas, right?
How is that a coincidence? How?
That's.
I don't understand. How we do a video and she in it.
I don't know.
And you know her.
I'm fine. I don't know how that is. Kind of swung a little bit. Alright, I'm good.
You said you fan?
Yes, G. They want me.
No.
They want.
You want to ask?
So you want me?
Alright, look, hey, who y'all taking home?
Me.
Just let me know.
Hell.
Team dark skin or team light skin?
I ain't light skin. Watch your mouth.
You light skin, shorty.
I'm brown skin.
You not.
I'm brown skin.
Hey, now look. Hey, y'all spam in the comments. Is he light skin or dark skin?
Brown skin.
We know he
Brown
light skin.
But so see, look, who y'all taking home?
Oh, who y'all taking home?
Or him?
The fine chocolate or whatever this dude is.
You said what?
You said what? What y'all say? Huh?
Ooh. What a cold. I gotta go tell my sister.
Wait. Alright, so look, if y'all appreciate this video, hit the like, smash the subscribe button, get a bell, ding. That's simple. And follow me on my Instagram and add me on my Snap. Which one shout out?
Oh, shout out my Snapchat.
Alright, look. His Snapchat gonna be in the description down below.
Yes, sir.
Y'all females are gonna add him because apparently y'all like light skin. So I don't know.
I'm not light skinned, I'm brown skinned.
Y'all heard what I said in the video. If y'all think he light skin or brown skin, comment down below. Is that it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I won this.
He found. Yo, I got the highest. They said 14. They said 14. Your highest is 12. So the one that knows Jovar won. They want me.
I don't take L's. He lost.
Peace.